Do pull-ups every day for a month. See what happens to your body. For individuals looking to improve their upper body, pull-ups are an excellent complement to any fitness routine. Pull-ups can be difficult at first because you are maintaining your entire body weight, but as you become acclimated to it, you become stronger and find it easier to manage. This workout has numerous benefits, including increased self-esteem, muscle strength and mass, and posture correction. Pull-ups are most beneficial when done twice a week rather than daily. As with other strength training activities, muscles can tear each other apart and heal, resulting in increased strength and growth. Let's take a look at the benefits of pull-ups and why you should perform them in today's video. Pull-ups are good for your back. The pull-up is one of the best exercises for strengthening your back. Working the back of the body is just as important for maintaining balance, preventing injuries, and increasing total functional strength. While many people focus on the muscles in the front of the body, such as the abs, chest, biceps, and shoulders, training the back is just as important. Lower back strengthening exercises can aid to support the upper body and stabilize the lower spine. They may also help to alleviate or prevent lower back discomfort. Stretching the back muscles after completing a back strengthening exercise can help prevent injury and muscle soreness. Before we continue, are you seeking for a daily multivitamin for men that contains 23 key vitamins and minerals? Naturilo One Daily Vitamin for Men satisfies all of your vitamin needs. If you are a vegan under the age of 50, this product can benefit your heart, brain, vision, and immune system. Why not try Naturilo Whole Food Multivitamin for Women, which contains turmeric, boswellia, lutein, lycopene, and other herbal combinations to support joint, brain, heart, and eye health. To boost absorption and bioavailability, the formula contains activated B vitamins such as methylfolate, B6, P5P, and B12 methylcobalamin, as well as chelated minerals such as selenium and zinc. Pull-ups help to strengthen your core, shoulders, arms, and chest. Pull-ups strengthen and shape not only your back but also your shoulders, forearms, and chest, pecs. They are excellent workouts for many of the body's largest muscles because they engage your abs, particularly your deep transverse abdominis. Pull-ups on a regular basis, a balanced diet, and a full-body workout routine can all help to increase muscle tone and definition. By practicing pull-ups frequently and following a tight plan, you may strengthen your shoulders and forearms. If you are unable to do a full pull-up, you can do them with help or simply by hanging from the bar to get into position. Pull-ups can help you strengthen your grip. Pull-ups are one of the best exercises for strengthening your hands and grip. Grip strength is useful for a variety of tasks, including opening jars and operating saws and hedge trimmers. They are also useful for rope climbing, racket sports, and heavy lifting. By increasing your grip strength, you boost your chances of excelling in sports that require a solid hold, such as martial arts and mountain climbing. Athletes must develop their grip strength not just for better performance, but also to avoid future injuries. Our muscles weaken as we age, and having a strong grip can improve our quality of life and help us avoid physical limits and problems. Here's a fascinating truth. Did you know that a strong grasp is tied to a strong heart? Because their hearts pump more blood per pulse, people with stronger hand grips have healthier heart structures and functions. Pull-ups can help increase bone density. Pull-ups are a sort of resistance exercise that is excellent for people who wish to strengthen their bones and keep their joints flexible. Resistance exercises have been shown to promote bone density by burdening the bones and encouraging them to deposit more cellular and mineral components into the bone matrix. When stronger muscles flex on the bones, they apply more force, alerting your body to add more minerals and improve the structure of your bones. Stress lines occur on the upper arm bones as the muscles are strained, activating bone-forming cells and strengthening the bones, which maintains the elbow, shoulder, and back joints lubricated. Bone density is important because older persons lose bone density as they age, resulting in weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. Pull-ups have been shown to boost health markers. Several studies have demonstrated that resistance training activities such as pull-ups can improve a variety of health markers. Strength training, for example, can alter the appearance of the body and make it simpler to control blood sugar, lower blood pressure, and reduce visceral fat, waist circumference, insulin sensitivity, cholesterol, and blood lipids. Combining a strength training program with pull-ups and other total body conditioning activities may reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, and obesity. Although pull-ups as a resistance workout have some health benefits, there hasn't been much research on their effectiveness. It raises your resting metabolic rate by 7%, your HDL cholesterol by 8 to 21%, your LDL cholesterol by 13-23%, and your triglycerides by 11 to 18%. It also reduces resting systolic blood pressure by 3 to 4 mmHg and diastolic blood pressure by 1 to 2 mmHg, while increasing bone mass density by 3 to 8%. Insulin sensitivity was increased by 16%, while depression was reduced by 80%. Pull-ups aid in muscle development. Pull-ups are a difficult strength training exercise, Complex actions that challenge your muscles can help you enhance your fitness level. If you keep doing the same exercises, your body will eventually plateau. However, if you incorporate pull-ups and other new, hard tasks into your regimen, you may notice a significant improvement in your strength. One of the lesser-known benefits of pull-ups is that, while everyone speaks about how they strengthen your lats, tightening your grip on the bar compels your biceps to do part of the effort, allowing them to gain muscle over time. Slowing down your pull-up speed to roughly 45 seconds per set might help you create more muscle in your arms. But keep in mind that you must engage your core in order to maintain your form and avoid moving around too much. This will become more common as you perform more pull-ups because your other muscle groups will begin to feel the heat, making the pull-up an excellent stomach exercise. If you exercise properly, you will notice an incredible difference in just a few weeks. Do you want to burn some calories? Pull-ups are an excellent way to burn off excess calories. A pull-up burns about 1 calorie. To lose weight, you must execute 3,500 pull-ups since 3,500 calories equal 1 pound. This is usually referred to as the 3,500 kcal rule. The number of calories burnt during a pull-up is determined by several factors. A 200-pound person will exert more strength during a pull-up than a 130-pound person, so the 200-pound person will burn more calories while executing the same number of pull-ups. The rate at which your muscles contract and your heart rate rises also affects the number of calories you burn. The more quickly you walk, the faster your heart beats and the more calories you burn. The number of calories burned during a pull-up is determined by your oxygen consumption and heart rate. These will differ from one person to the next. Pull-ups can help you feel better. Pull-ups are one type of resistance training exercise that has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety while also improving mood. Strength training, like aerobic or cardiac exercise, can reduce cortisol and increase endorphin release. Pull-ups and other resistance exercises, in other words, can help you feel better after a workout. Pull-ups are notorious for exposing all of the flaws of a sedentary lifestyle, specifically insufficient back strength. We are usually slumped over and our back muscles are relaxed because of how we sit at our desks. Many people neglect back muscle development in favor of training their beach muscles, such as the chest and biceps. As a result, it's critical to find a good exercise that will properly work those back muscles. You will be more motivated to continue working out once you have become accustomed to pull-ups. Did you know that a 2010 study discovered a link between strength training and a reduction in anxiety symptoms? That's correct. Researchers discovered that it improves cognitive function, fatigue, depression, and self-esteem. While the evidence appears to be favorable, additional research is required to confirm these findings. Pull-ups have numerous benefits, including improved posture, muscle and strength development, and even increased self-esteem. Do you want to learn more about physical activity? Please let us know in the comments.